Hello everyone, welcome to the demo of the app. As it's shown over here, Opinionth helps you connect and share perspectives on events and objects with people in your life. So let's get started. Let's get started by logging into the account of Google. Clicking on this button opens a different tab where we choose an account. After choosing an account, it takes us back to the app and shows us the home feed. The home feed consists of all the posts and the cards that I have created and the posts and the cards of the users that I follow, plus some random feeds so that initially we don't have our home feed empty. Okay, so let's pick a card. Let's say we pick this card: Brazil Supreme Court upholds ban on Elon Musk's Twitter, which contains the topics of Twitter and Elon Musk. It opens all these cards. All these cards are linked cards, and all these cards are basically related to Elon Musk and Twitter. Twitter is linked to Blue Sky, so Blue Sky is also here. And similarly, these are all the cards like are added after clicking on this button. We can also add a card by, let's say, adding this link. This link adds this card. Is it's already added? It shows again over here, and this is how we add a card to the linked list. And this is not, there's no algorithm involved over here, and this is all user manually added cards through user inputs by clicking on this button. Okay, so let's look at all these options at this card. Clicking on this username takes us to the profile page of the user. We will look at the profile section later. And this is the link button where we open the link of the article or any news item on a different tab. Similarly, these are all the like, repost, save, and share buttons. And clicking on the middle of the card opens up a different layer where the details of the cards are shown, and comments, we can add a comment as well, like hello. It adds in instantly. And the feed is basically, which is, it shows content which is similar to this card, and it is basically driven by the algorithms. It collects the user interactions and shows over here whichever card is similar to the card of shown selected. It shows over here, and the only thing that is different over this feed and this linked cards feed is that these cards are added by the users, whereas the detailed card feed like this is driven by the algorithms. And this linked cards list is free from algorithm bias, so it avoids echo chambers. It, as you can see, it shows n number of perspectives on any topic or an event or an object, where we can show the collection of product catalog, collection of cards, or n different perspectives on a news item, etc. So this is the user journey where we click on a card. It shows the linked cards free from algorithm bias. Clicking on it opens the details of the cards, and there's an algorithm feed over here. Okay, so now let's look at the navigation bar. This is the navigation bar. We already have seen the home feed. And now let's see the explore feed. Explore feed contains all the cards by all the users currently. We can modify it later to contain certain categories, selected categories, etc. So, and on clicking on any of the cards opens the linked cards list again, and clicking on it will open the algorithm feed, etc. And this is the create. This is how we create a card. We have already seen it. These are all the notifications of the cards that I posted and the users that I've interacted with it. And this is the messages. Let's say we type another message, hello, and it will show instantly this message, hello. Okay, so that's neat. And now let's say we look at the profile section. So the profile section, as you can see, consists of user profile picture, profile name, username, follower and following list, and there's also an option for edit profile and opinion, liked and saved tabs. The fulcrum of this profile section and this app is this opinion tab, which consists of all the cards that the user has created and reposted, like this one. And clicking on any of these cards will again open the first the link cards layer, and clicking on it will open this algorithm feed. So basically we are inserting a linked cards layer in between in user journey. Also, the opinion of the user contains not just all the opinion of the user, but also the context in which the user has they formed an opinion. Like it shows the selected opinion along with all these opinions that the user has formed the opinion in this context. Okay, so one more thing about the linked cards and the opinion tab over here. We're not just adding opinion or items to the linked cards, we're also taking out and selecting the opinions out of those linked cards and showing it over here and showing it in the context. So, yeah, that's about it. Finally, we have this settings tab and we can log out through this button, and we have logged out, and this is the end of demo. Thanks for watching it. Thank you so much.